now I'm going to show you how to open or import a comma delimited file, okay, in Excel. Okay, before that I will show you what is there in my comma delimited file. Comma delimited text. Okay, you can see here month, sales, expenses. This is the header, and all the data is here, and every data, the column values are separated by comma. Okay, so I will show you how to import this one into Excel. Go to file, open, browse, okay, you can see data files, my folder. Okay, it will show you only the Excel files. So what you need to do is you go here and open up all files or the text files. Okay, in my case I open all files, then go here, comma delimited, then open. Once open, for the preview of data, it will show you what is there in the file. Okay, you can also see here, choose the file type, okay, whether it's a delimited or fixed width. This is in our case it is a delimited file with the comma. Okay, and my first row contains the data header. Okay, also you can also choose that whether you want to open the file, get the data from the first row, or you want to get the data only from the middle of the row, middle of the rows. Okay, any row you can start with. If I put a second row, what will happen, the data will be omitted, the first row data will be omitted, and it will start from the next row onwards. For in our case I will put just from the first row. Okay, and in this case it shows in the next step number 2 of the text import wizard, it shows that which what is the delimiter, whether it's a tab, semicolon, comma. Okay, our case it is comma. Okay, and it is also asking whether treat consecutive delimiters as one. That means you may have it continuously a few delimiters together. If you have it that one, you want the Excel to treat as one, or you want the Excel to treat as different delimiter. That means if you have a few delimiters successively, you will get that many columns. Okay, so in our case it is only one delimiter is there, then I just leave it unchecked. Okay, you can see the data is already showing that according to the comma delimiter, the 3 columns are there. My first column is the text, so I select the text and click on the next column, and third column is general. That means text as text and numbers as numbers. See, general converts numeric values to numbers and data values to date values to dates, and the remaining values to text. Okay, finish. You can see here the data is imported into the Excel sheet. Okay, this is the way you can just import any comma delimited file to Excel. Okay, and the other thing is, since it is .txt, it is asking the wizard. If it is not, then what happens, that one also you can able to see here. Okay, what I'm doing is copy, paste. Okay, comma delimited. In this case what I am putting is .csv. Okay, if it is a CSV file, what is happening? Let's see. Open, browse, comma delimiter CSV, not text. This one has the extension CSV. It is automatically opening it into Excel sheet. That means since it is a .csv file extension, it knows that comma is the delimiter and it is automatically doing the rest of the wizard work, and it is open into the Excel sheet. Okay, this is the second way of opening the comma delimited file. Finally, I have one more way to open the delimiter file that is not opening. Actually, you see the file. Sometimes what will happen, you just want to work with delimited data in a file. Instead of opening it, what you can do is straight away copy. Okay, I'll put it in a next sheet. Just paste it. See what happens here is it pasted in the same column itself. Okay, now after pasting it, what you can do is you just go to data. Okay, in data you can see text columns. Okay, what you can do is you just you select the text column, then go to text to columns button. It will pop up the same wizard, same kind of wizard which you try to open a text files, delimited or fixed width. Now you say delimited. Okay, now what is the delimiter? Tab, semicolon, comma. Okay, then move. It is the first column is the text column, second column as the general column, third column is also general column, but it also have the destination. Where do you want to paste the result? Okay, I will start with the column C, because our column A already have whatever we pasted, right? That value is there, so I started from C. Finish. You can see whatever you typed in here is separated and put it into different columns. Okay, this way, this is another way of bringing a comma delimited information into a Excel sheet. Okay, where it is helpful because you have some doubts in the columns, you want to compare, you can compare this way. Or you already have some data inside the text file, instead of opening it, you just copy and paste and make it into columns, and then bring these columns and do whatever you want. Or you want to merge two sets of data. You already opened one set of data and you want to bring in another text file. That time also you use this technique. Okay, so these are the three ways I shown you how to open a comma delimited file or the data inside the Excel sheet. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, you just press like button and also subscribe our channel. Okay, have a good day.